Greetings to everyone. I'm Jasril B. Maribao, discussing to you the effect of online games on the academic performance among grade 12 students in Sagayan National High School. Introduction. In Malaysia, the impact of COVID-19 pandemic increased the children's addiction to games, which come to 80.47%, as said 2021. In Bangladesh, internet access aids but also hinders education. 54% studied over 2 hours daily, yet 94% spend excessive time socializing online. Sangento Elementary School 2012 NAT result average 62% proficiency with the subject scores ranging from 54% to 75%, indicating classroom behavior influences academic success. The University of Immaculate Concepcion Department of Education reported that 66.7% of Davao City High School performed poorly in the 2011 NAT. Private school scored an average of 34.80%. Research objective number 1, to describe the level of the effect of online games. Number 2, to describe the level of the academic performance. 3, to determine the significant relationship between the effect of online games and academic performance. 4, to determine which domain of the effect of online games significantly influence academic performance. Hypothesis number 1. There is no significant relationship between the effect of online games among grade 12 students in Sagayan National High School. 2. There is no domain of the effect of online games significantly influence academic performance. Theoretical framework. Socio-demographic theory by Hudson and Stats et al. 2021. Poor academic performance and addiction of social network theory by Sharman Hossain et al. 2021. Combination factors that influence academic performance, academic achievement theory by Sahahan et al. 2021. Research design. Quantitative non-experimental correlation design. Research local. Region 11 in the District of Asuncion, Davao del Norte. Population and sample. 139 respondent in grade 12 student in Sagayan National High School. Level of the effect of online games. Level of effect of online games indicators or items. First, gaming habits with mean 3.32, descriptive level moderate, tolerance 3.19, with descriptive equivalent of moderate. Problem, mean score of 3.33, with a descriptive equivalent of moderate. Mode motivation with a mean score of 3.38, with a descriptive equivalent of moderate. Salience 3.29, with a descriptive equivalent of moderate. Social support 3.26, with a descriptive equivalent of moderate. Personal achievement with a mean score of 3.42, with a descriptive equivalent of high. Achievement motivation 4.57, with the descriptive equivalent of very high. Perceived stress 3.69, with a descriptive equivalent of high. Next slide. Level of academic performance. Level of academic performance. Self-confidence 3.48 with a descriptive level of high. Humility 3.93 description level of high. In the level of academic performance, the indicators and mean got a descriptive equivalent of high. Let's forward to the next slide. Table 3. My R value is 0.50, 76, 62, 82, 54. That's my R value with a relationship of strong correlation. R squared is 25.38 with a p-value of 0.00. Decision is rejected. Conclusion is significant. Indicator 4. Table 4. Indicators. Gaming habits. P-value of 0.00 with a decision of rejected. Conclusion and relationship. Significant. Tolerance. P-value of 0.00. Rejected the decision. Conclusion and relationship is significant. In the table 4, the indicators of gaming habits, problem, tolerance, mood motivation, silence, social support, and personal achievement motivation, perceived stress, got a p-value of 0.00 with a decision of rejected, and the conclusion and relationship is significant. Let's move forward. Summary of findings. The level of the effect of online games among grade 12 students in Sagayan National High School has an overall mean score of 3.49 with a descriptive equivalent of moderate. The level of academic performance among grade 12 students in Sagayan National High School has an overall mean of 3.68 with a descriptive equivalent of high. There is a statistically significant relationship between the effect of online games and the academic performance of students, as indicated by the probability value of 0.00 and a significant level of 0.05, leading to the rejection of null hypothesis. In the statistical terms, there is a significant evidence to reject the idea that academic performance of students is not impacted by effect of online games, as calculated probability value of 0.00 is lower than the commonly accepted level of significance of 0.05. Forward. In conclusion, the level of effect of online games is much evident. The level of academic performance is also much evident. There is a significant relationship between the effect of online games and the academic performance. The effect of online games is significant in predicting the academic performance of the student. Recommendation: schools should organize workshops and seminars for family to highlight their important role in supporting student emotional health and academic success. Regular family days and parent teachers meeting can help build connection and create a supportive environment for students. Number 2, schools should make program focus on developing academic performance through the effect of games. Activity like puzzle games, solving contests that can help students improve their academic performance, and also it can improve their confidence, and critical thinking from solving puzzle games and other games that can boost their mind and can help the academic performance. Number three, it's difficult to create program that boost student academic performance, as the use of online games, positive reinforcement, and supportive teacher-student relationship can help student feel more confident, comfortable using games that can improve their academic performance. Encouraging participation in discussions in providing constructive feedback can enhance their confidence to perform well in class. Number 4 recommendation. The Department of Education should develop programs that guide families on how to use online games properly, the way that can improve their children's academic performance through the proper use of digital games, the skills that they get from games that can lead for their academic success. Like number 5, word cross. A word cross game is a type of word puzzle game where you are given a grid of letters and goals is to form words by connecting adjacent letter either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. It can enhance vocabulary of students, which can help them build bigger vocabulary, which can improve reading and writing, and also critical thinking. It encourages problem solving and creative thinking, spelling and recognition. It improves spelling and word recall, useful for all subjects. Better focus. This improves attention to detail, helping with focus during time. Stress relief. It also gives a quick mental break so that students feel refreshed afterward. Memory skills. This game also helps with the remembering words and patterns useful for memorizing heavy subject. Number 6, Kahoot. Kahoot, that's a game. And Kahoot game is an interactive quiz-based platform that turns learning into a competitive game. Teacher can create quizzes and challenges or student can engage in classroom competition. This increases student engagement and help reinforce material through repetition. 7. Brain Pack offers animated videos, quizzes, and interactive activities across a wide range of subjects. It makes learning enjoyable by combining educational content with games, quizzes to reinforce knowledge. It also enhances subject comprehension, critical thinking, and knowledge retention in an engaging visual format. The last one is Osmo, early learning and math, language, creative play, etc. Osmo is a hand-on learning tool that combines physical objects that with an iPad for gamified learning experience. It offers various games that promote learning in math, spelling, and creating problem solving. It also promotes critical thinking, creativity, and builds early academic skills in a tactile and interactive way by incorporating this online games based program into education. Students enjoy learning while enhancing their academic performance and their academic achievement across various subjects. And that's all for the effect of online games discussion. Thank you so much for listening. God bless. Thank you.